So it's been a while, 6 months I think. Car is covered in dust and other crap because I'm moving houses and it just takes a lot of time. Painting the walls, lining the new carpets and all of that other highly enjoyable stuff to do. In the meantime, car was here locked in the garage and I did absolutely nothing to it since we fitted the engine in back in December. However, I wasn't able to start the car for whatever reason because I had no spark. So the plan for today or for this episode is to sort the engine out, install the headers, a pair of Shorties headers from Summit Racing. I will install that. Then hopefully sort the missing spark issue and start the engine from there. I'm still gonna have to fit the drive shaft, some small bits at the rear suspension, the torque arm and cross member, and finger crossed at the end of this episode I'm finally gonna be able to take the car for the spin around the estate. Everything's gonna be happening much quicker than it did in the past. That's because, as I said at the beginning, I'm moving houses, so before I'll do that I want the car to be amended, not perfect but amended. I want everything on its place because otherwise, as you know, I will probably miss lots of stuff, lots of screws and bolts and alignments and stuff like that. So yeah, let's begin.
You know who made it.
So it's 2 weeks later and I've done almost no progress whatsoever. I've replaced the a distributor which was faulty. I've replaced the battery. I've cleaned the spark plugs because some of them were already flooded. And the car actually started. However, it was so loud on the open headers, I just can't have it running like that because my neighbor's gonna kill me. So the plan is I've got a couple of boxes with the missing parts for rear suspension from Rock Auto, and the plan is to install them in. I still gotta connect the fuel pump, the few fuel lines, and once that's done, and that shouldn't take too long, I'll gonna have to figure out some kind of a temp exhaust system, some kind of a muffler, or maybe just gonna weld some pipes to make it at least slightly quieter, and then I can show you engine running. Yeah, so I'm not gonna waste any more time, and then just let's carry on.